Ito ang aking mid lane tier list updated as of May 2026. Siguro ito na ata yung pinaka nauumay ako considering it's the same list. Nagbabago lang yung priority. Malakas kasi talaga yung mga nasa S plus meta na ang hirap nilang palitan. Like if you need team fight, nandyan si Eve tsaka si Farsa. Kung gusto mong may kwenta ka sa draft hanggang sa laro, so kung marunong kang gumamit, syempre Valentina. You need pseudo carries, yung medyo kailangan bumuhat sa mid lane. You have the Kimi, the Lunox, the Zushin. And then kung kailangan mo ng pang combo, mga pare, nandyan si Zetian. Literal, kailangan mo lang bagayan yung siguro yung composition mo o i-counter yung kalaban. And in which case, siguro ang pinaka-interesting na dito, and it's not even that interesting, would be the Lilia na nagbabalik, ginagamit na rin ulit sa MPL Philippines by week 5. And it's mainly just to counter mga stationary mages natin at saka yung mga melee heavy compositions na mahilig mag-Fredrin and other stuff like that. But other than that, yun na yun. So sana magbago. Moonton, please, baguhin naman natin yung metagame ng mage. Oh my God, ilang buwan ng ganito.